Hi, my name is Daniela and today I want to talk about the Power Deep Pore Cleanser FC41 from Beurer. First of all, let me quickly explain how the product works. When the product is switched on, a vacuum is generated. When the tip is moved over the skin, loose skin flakes, spots and blackheads can be sucked up. There are 3 different tips included in the set and 5 different intensity levels to choose from. Before you start using the product, it is very important to prepare your skin. Your pores need to be open to remove spots and blackheads. You need to wash your face and remove any leftover makeup. To do this, you can also use a facial cleaning brush. If you like, you can exfoliate your skin to remove old and loose skin flakes. Now you have different options to open up your pores. You can cover your face for 5 minutes with a wet hot towel. This will humidify your skin and the warmth will open up your pores. Alternatively, you can do an ordinary steam bath or use a facial sauna if you have one. We recommend you steam for about 5 minutes. Now that your skin is perfectly prepared and your pores are wide open, you are ready to start using the FC41 from Beurer. Here are some tips for the best results. Make sure your skin is wet. Always start with the lowest intensity and if necessary increase the intensity level step by step. Do not use the device on the same area of skin for a long period of time. Most importantly, please read the instruction manual carefully before you use the product. Last but not least, after the treatment, we recommend you wash your face with cold water to close the pores. Feel free to apply a mild toner or soothing aloe vera gel. So now you can enjoy using the FC41 from Beurer, feeling sure you will see the best results. Stay healthy.